Hey everybody, it's Greg here at Rocky Knob at PBJ, the Black Diamond Jump Trail. This is a video I've been meaning to shoot well since the channel started like 2 years ago. And what happened was in 2021, Blue Dream, which is an intermediate jump trail, was introduced. And so they made this bad boy into like a Whistler style, just like crazy huge jumps. I tried it once and I fell right on this first cannon and really hurt myself, really hurt my bike, cost a lot of money, and so I haven't done it since. Really, there's quite a gap between the end of this platform and there, and I just cased it and went over the bars, so that was scary, but I think I got it this time, so let's check it out. So yeah, this is turning into kind of a how to survive PBJ video, and I think the crucial thing is to warm up. So the jam, which used to be the initial part of PBJ, is now its own separate loop. And I suggest first doing the main tabletop until you can clear it. Let's give that a shot. Yeah. So that's step one. All right, step two is to try the alt line. There's a couple of them here on the jam, but it's over toward the left, right when you get around this berm. And it's a gap jump. I'm probably not gonna do that, but just the first platform over here, ooh, really lofts you. And then if you can clear the second one also, I think you're in good shape. All right, so to start off, it's the scariest thing, which is this cannon. So what I want you to do, hold on to this tree here at the opening, get in 6th gear, not 7th, not 5th, 6th gear. And then you can stand up and mash pedals all the way to the end of the platform and you'll make it. Here we go. Mash and 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 jump. Oh, yeah. Not doing this one. Case. And Brian, if you want to let everybody know how many of these I case. Oh, that's steep. You. Case. Here we go. This is scary. Stay to the right. Drop. Oh, ha, oh. That is terrifying, but fun. Now we've got a double, which I'm not bothering with. Sweet berms. Case. Step down, case. Case. I gotta clear something. Nope, not that. Got bucked. Cased it. Yay, cleared that. Case. These jumps are so big. I actually don't know how anybody. Yay, cleared that. Step down, turn it into 2. Maybe you don't hit your brakes? I don't know. Case. Case. Scary. Cleared it. Cleared it. Case. And then go left. To the right is the old PBJ that doesn't actually empty out into anything anymore. So you can't go that way. Now you meet up with Kindergarten and Rocky Branch. All right, to end things off, I'll just say, if you're one of these awesome riders that's clear and everything, let us mere mortals know what you do. Like, Do you just not brake the whole thing, or are you even pedaling downhill? Seems kind of like an insurmountable task, but I do plan on getting it. Maybe doing a redemption ride a year or 10 down the road, but yeah, I just kind of need to know what's the strategy. Are you just pinning it all the way down, no brakes at all, take off your chain? That's something that I think I'd be able to do. I just feel a little lost right now. I imagine I'm not the only one, but survived it. That was the goal for today. So that'll do it from Rocky Knob, PB&J trail. Super tough, but super fun, exhilarating anyway. And hey baby, got that cannon, got that gap jump, calling that a win. Boop. See you next time.